Okay, I'm working on a Kenmore 385.1915 model, and it was only going in reverse. It was like stuck in reverse. And what it determined was, I'm going to turn it off, that, so I'm hold my light at the same time. There's a lever here that when the machine is off you can rotate it, and this lever swings all the way back until it hits a little tab back there, so you can't push it too far. It's okay, but it doesn't matter where you put it. When you turn the machine on, well, nothing will happen when you turn the machine on, but as soon as you hit the foot pedal, it will like put itself in the correct position. That's what it's supposed to do. But mine was stuck in reverse. So what I did was I oiled and put heat, blow dryer heat, just on all of the parts that move when I move this back and forth, okay? And then eventually it got easier and easier, and now the motor is able to do it. So there's a lot of parts that move when you rotate this, and I'm not exactly sure which one it is, but you can see, even if you can just get it to move a little bit, usually it'll move a little bit, you can see which parts are moving. You need to oil and put blow dryer heat on those parts. Just be careful because it is a plastic machine. You don't want to melt any of the plastic pieces or the plastic gears. Then once you do that, you can, it doesn't matter where you put this tab at. When you turn the machine back on, I'll even put it all the way back. When you turn the machine on, it will do a little thing, but as soon as you start to, if you don't touch anything, it'll automatically be set on straight stitch, and it'll be, let's see, oh, it doesn't say, straight stitch. I just hit the up button once, width 3.5, length 2.2. So it probably was at length 2 because I hit the up button one time. Anyway, if you step on the foot pedal, that lever will automatically go into its place where it needs to be. And that apparently is where it needs to be at 2. It's like kind of straight coming back out at you. If you hit the reverse, well, actually, then what I wanted to do was I wanted to make the length be as much as possible so that it would have the most motion. So while it's running, while you've got your foot on the pedal just a little bit to make sure it runs, and you can hit the plus length button and you can see it start to move. It should move until it beeps and like, you know, tops out, and it should be around that position. Then if you hold down the reverse button, it'll snap all the way down into that little hole thing. If you're holding the reverse button, it'll stay there. As soon as you let go, it should pop all the way back up to the top again. That's how it should work when it's running perfect. So there's in reverse, and it goes all the way down in between. I don't know if I'd say it's centered, but it's pretty good. It's pretty much in the middle of that. I'm posting this video almost more for myself in case I have this problem again. I thought that maybe she had broken a gear, but it turns out it was just dirty and just gummed up in one of the areas.